So our next exercise is blinking of even and odd state LEDs. Okay, here is my previous code and I'll make some changes in this code. Okay, and you know my even number is if my remainder is 0. Okay, now I'll write I module 2. Any number which is divisible by 2 whose remainder is 0 is my even number. Now here modulus operator will return your remainder. If my remainder is 0, then it means it is my even number. Okay, first of all I am blinking the even state of LEDs. Alright, now here I have turned on the even state. Now it's time to turn off the even state LEDs. Just write module 2 equals to 0. Okay, and alright, now upload your code on Arduino board. So here's my even state LEDs 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now if you want to blink odd state LEDs, okay, now you know the condition of odd. If my remainder is not equals to 0, then just write not equals to operator, which is sign of exclamation. Okay, if my I modulus 2 is not equals to 0, then it is my odd number state. So here my odd LEDs 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so similarly you can blink both even and odd. Okay, so I'm doing here, suppose when my even state LEDs are on, then I want my odd state LED to be off. Sorry, here my odd state are on, then I want my even state to be off. Okay, now it should remain same. Alright, now let's come here. Here's my odd state LEDs are off. Now here I want to turn on my even state LEDs. Here's my even state LEDs. Just write bit set. Alright, that's it. Now remove this delay. Okay, now upload your code on Arduino board. So here you can see the result: even, odd, even, odd LEDs, even LEDs. So that's it. So that's all about your shift register. So see you in next video. Okay.